With thousands of students and staff isolating in the province due to exposure, the idea is being floated of extending the winter break for schools to help curb the spread. Ontario and Quebec are looking into the idea, and locally, public education advocacy groups Support Our Students Alberta believes that it's something that should be considered here as well. However, they'd like to see more direction from the government rather than leaving it to individual school boards.
This needs to come from leadership from the province. We're seeing a lot of schools trying to figure it out on their own, and we're seeing staff shortages, and this really comes down to not seeing the Minister in Education or the Premier act on schools properly.
In an email sent to City News, the Education Minister says her department is not aware of any school board wishing to extend the winter break. She goes on to say, local school authorities set their school calendar and have the flexibility and autonomy to adjust their calendars to meet local needs. We will continue to follow the advice of the Chief Medical Officer of Health, and we are ready to make changes when needed based on her advice. The Calgary Board of Ed says it has not considered closing early for the winter break or extending and will follow public health guidelines. AHS says there's been 141 reports of in-school transmission with just over 1,000 active cases in our schools.